Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your vehicle's radiator. First, always prioritize safety. Ensure your engine is cool and wear protective gloves and eyewear. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a drain pan, various wrenches, and pliers. Then, locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom, and carefully drain all the old coolant into your pan. This initial step is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's move on to disconnecting and removing the old radiator. Begin by carefully detaching both the upper and lower radiator hoses. You might need pliers for the clamps. Next, remove the fan shroud, which often involves unbolting a few fasteners and disconnecting any electrical connections. Finally, unbolt the radiator itself from its mounting brackets, typically 4 bolts, and gently lift it out of the engine bay. Take your time with each connection. With the old radiator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully lower the new radiator into position, ensuring it sits correctly in its lower mounts. Then, secure it by reinstalling the 4 mounting bolts you removed earlier. Next, reattach the fan shroud and reconnect any electrical connectors. Finally, firmly reconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses, making sure all clamps are tight to prevent leaks. This ensures a secure and proper fit. The final steps involve refilling and checking your work. Begin by slowly refilling the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically around 2 gallons. Then, with the radiator cap off, run the engine until it reaches operating temperature to bleed any trapped air. Watch for bubbles. After cooling, top off the coolant. Finally, thoroughly inspect for any leaks and take your vehicle for a short test drive to confirm everything is working perfectly. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.